Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat is equipped with the white hull sides and silver graphics. For power, we've optioned this boat with the twin Mercury 350 horsepower Verados and the optional white paint. The hardtop of this boat does have outriggers, rocket launchers, and great protection from the weather. You also have a drop-down curtain set that comes with this boat as well. As we make our way back to the cockpit of the boat, this boat is equipped with the dive door. You have a nice fold-away transom seat to open up your cockpit for fishability. There are two live wells on this boat, one here at the transom, and your second underneath this aft-facing seat. This aft-facing seat, the backrest also folds forward to give you a workstation. In the floor of the cockpit, you do have two fish boxes. As we make our way forward to the helm, you have two Raymarine Hybrid Touch GPS fish finder units. This boat is equipped with the joystick piloting, which gives you skyhook for ease of docking, Mercury vessel view, auto tab, and all the Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. As we make our way forward, you have a nice big lounger in front of the console with flip down armrests and great amount of storage under here as well. Up in the bow of the boat, you have a nice wraparound seating to complete this entertaining space. This boat is equipped with the bow sunshade, which will have two poles that go in these forward rod holders to give you sun protection up in the bow when you're lounging, and is also equipped with the windlass anchor. Underneath the console of this boat is your head compartment. With the vacuum flush head, freshwater sink, and also designated storage for your dive ladder. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton, be happy to help you out.